blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I am Courtney B and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are an OG, thank you so much for clicking on another video and for always supporting your girl. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm on the road to 1K supporters and I would really appreciate it if you guys go ahead and subscribe and make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. I know you read that title, so you already know what today's video is all about, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what I'm planning on doing today. I am standing in my guest bedroom area, and I did have some furniture in here originally, but I decided that I wanted to make this room my craft slash film room. So what I did was I went ahead and I decided to move everything out for the most part, except for a few bigger pieces that I have in here still. And I don't really have any guests that decide that they want to spend the night. So it makes perfect sense to go ahead and turn this into my craft space. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start telling you about a few things that I still have in here right now. So first up, I'm gonna move over here to this table. It actually was in my dining room. Y'all make sure you stay tuned for a future video on what I'm planning to do in my dining room, but this table fits perfectly and we do not eat at our table. We usually eat at the bar area, so that's what this table is in here for. I'm going to use this as like my workstation area. And then I wanted to show you guys this. It's just like a little dresser, and of course I'm going to go ahead and decorate the top of it, but I'm going to move this around. It's really heavy, so the bigger pieces I'm actually going to have my husband help me to move this stuff around because I cannot move this by myself. It's too heavy for that. And then last but not least, I wanted to show you guys my this is my pegboard area, and I really love this thing. I had my husband build it for me and he put it up and I am in love with it. If you guys want to know how to DIY your own, it's a bunch of videos and tutorials out there, so I suggest you go ahead and Google it and find something because I did not film a DIY of how to do this, but I love this thing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on moving some things around and bringing some stuff in here so that I can go ahead and get started on decorating. this ladder. It's just a decor ladder. I actually had this in my hallway and it was originally in espresso color, and I'm not liking that color anymore. I just love the brighter, more neutral colors. So I went ahead and I repainted this again with the same paint that I used for the coffee bar, and I really like how it turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start bringing in all the decorations that I'm gonna put on this ladder. Okay guys, so it is finally time to show you guys the big reveal, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. It seems like it took forever for me to get everything how I wanted it, but my craft room is finally done. So I will start from this side of the room and then just work my way around. So first up, I wanted to show you guys, I just went ahead and I kept the sign. If you guys are an OG, then you would have probably seen this in one of like my first couple of videos that I ever filmed and posted on YouTube, but that sign was in this room, so I just decided to switch it over to up here up top. And then next up, I'll show you guys, this is the peg board wall, and I really like how this came out. I just decided to put everything that I thought that I would need when I'm crafting. So these little buckets, they came from Dollar Tree, and then as you guys know, I ordered the kit from Amazon to just have like all of my stuff stored up inside of it. And then this little sign over here on this shelf is actually a sign that my daughter made for me when she was in school. I believe she made it probably in 1st or 2nd grade. And then I just went ahead and I spray painted this mason jar to put my paintbrushes in, and I just made that. That's all Dollar Tree stuff. I had already had the rocks. And then next up, I'll just go down here and show you guys the table. This is another one of Madison's creations that she did at school, and I thought it would look really nice on my table. And of course, you guys know I had to have a candle, and it smells so good, guys. That candle is from Walmart, and it smells really good. So I decided to keep this aqua or this teal colored vase because that's the colors in the room that I am going for. And then this glass table, it was originally in my formal dining room, and have something coming for that area. I wanted to just put this table in here because that's not the look that I'm going for in the dining room. So that's this part. And then moving on, I will show you guys how the Dollar Tree items turned out for my little vinyl wall. And it came out super good. So over here is just my iron-on vinyl. I have way more vinyl than this. And then over here is more iron-on vinyl, and this is just permanent vinyl right here. I have way more. And then all this is just my removable vinyl. So I really love how this came out. Then moving on to over here on this side, I already had these signs in here. It was on a different
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna